So first things first, we should find its center. Make sure that your drawing instruments are clean. Okay, here I'm using a marker, colored marker, just that it will be visible on our video. So mark your center, find the center there. Okay, so after finding the center of your drawing, now supposed to be okay, we're just going to mark here. However, based on your drawing, make sure that you move it somewhere to your right and somewhere at the bottom. Okay, knowing that the height of the object is about 80. Okay, I'm going to bring it down somewhere there. Okay, so then I do the mark for my construction line right there. Okay, so with that, I'm going to draw my using the borderline as a base. Okay, maybe I'll use some other markers, like a marker perhaps. Yeah, there, as my construction line. So using your 30 degrees triangle, okay, I'm going to move it somewhere away, since we have, okay, somewhere probably there. Okay, so draw your center axis. You're gonna get your height. Okay, then from the bottom, mark your starting point, okay, to any point that you prefer. Let's say I'll measure it, somewhere there. Okay, there. So that will be my, and start my axis over there. Again, using this as a base, we drew it over there. Okay, just draw your line for your axis. Then next, we turn it around. Okay, the other side still. Put draw as your base, and we take it here, there. Okay, next is that we do our measurements for our front view, for our width and for our height on this axis. Okay, so since we know that this will measure about 80, so let's do our measurement there. Mark it. Okay, that would be the size of your object. Okay, for your length, for your depth, it will be about 60, and for our height, it's going to be 80. Yeah, with this, I'm going to do the drawings based on those markings. Okay, so let's start doing our height. So going to mark it there. Do some projection lines. Turn it around. The other side. Another 30 degrees. Okay. Make sure that we keep it always there. Okay. And for our heights, flip your triangle this position, and there we missed that point, so nevertheless in a while we're going to correct it there. So see, not enough, and this one over there. Okay, now next okay, oops. There, just slide it, clip it, and we mark it. Okay, so this will be your front view, side view, and for your top view. We're going to work it over in a while, but first, once we started this, just make sure that you're going to bring all your details over here. Okay, so we mark the height for our front view from the center of our axis, so that's about 35, 10, 20, 35 there. Okay, that's 35. Next is that we're going to project it for our front view. Get one detail at a time. Okay, so you're marking it. There. Construction line. There. So, okay. So from this, nothing comes here, and you can see. Okay. Next, since we do have to move it upward, so what you're supposed to do is to mark, okay, just to use it as a base from your borderline, just to make sure that your foot rule is perpendicular, okay, or horizontally straight there. Okay, then use it. From here. There. Okay. Again, 30 degrees going inwards. Now we know that this is the 60, so we don't have to measure it there. So to find that distance that we've measured from the bottom towards there. Okay, so use our base there. Set it. Put your triangle in position, and there. So if you could see that this will be your drawing now. Okay, so the details from the top, it's either you measure it here and take it there, okay, or you can right away measure it here. We know that this is the end. Okay, so do it that way. Measure. Should be about 20 there. Then take it towards the back. There. Do your construction line. There. So this means that this is also 20. Next is details for this. So again, let's measure another 20 there. Bam. Okay. Set it. Set. And let's draw the line. There. There. Okay. There. Okay. So the same 20 would be here, since it does have the same width. Okay, there. So the 20 here will be that 20 there. Okay, so looking into your angle, so this point to this point, this point to this point, it's quite inclined, right? But this one will be taken here, okay, since it's 40 here, so we miss. So we measure 40 there, and it's 20 there. Okay. In. Take this one inwards there, and this one probably much, yeah, there. Okay, and then I will take this down that point. There. And this one, take it all the way back. Let's take it all the way back. There. This one, I will take it to the top, bring it back up. I hope you can see it now. This to that. Okay. There. If you like the video, please subscribe